Hey guys, welcome to online marketing. My name is Yogesh, and congratulations for all of you who are watching this video. That means you've gone through all the training for the affiliate marketing with the Clickfunnels. Um, in this video, I'm just going to tell you a little bit more about myself, why I got involved in it, and what the opportunities that will come to you. Now the decision is up to you that you want to pursue it or you want to, let it go. It all now. According to me, if you went through all the training and you've come here to watch this video, so at least you're open-minded and you are looking for some alternative or another way of, uh, creating income. Could that be through affiliate marketing? Maybe you like the freedom that will get, or making money while you're doing other thing on the lot. This is just a lot of people use autopilot, but once everything, your system, your business is online and it's automatically running, so it could be autopilot while you are either on vacation or spending time with your family or whatever you like to do, while as this business is making money. But let me tell you that it does involve a lot of hard work at the start for you to get this up and running. Now, I'm here to help you. I've been doing all of that, so my training is just to help you out there. And all the mistake that I made, you're not making the same mistake. So the time for you to starting making income is will be much shorter than what it took me. When I first started it, I had to learn everything by myself. Didn't have anybody to mentor myself, or didn't have any funnel that, basically the one I gave it to you, I had to build it myself. So it took me a lot of time, a lot of time, a lot of testing it out, which one works, which one doesn't work, and also lot of testing it out in terms of what works in terms of traffic and all that, which traffic is good, which traffic. So basically I'm giving you all of that, so you saw that the time is condensed now. And for next depending on how much time you have left on your trial period, so the next couple of days are very important for you, to in order for you to find out that if this is what you're looking for, you could be successful. And if once you get successful, achieve what, get the first sale or the first trial, or whatever it is, the first step on your words towards whatever your goal is, it is, you get an amazing feeling. So what I suggest to you is use the use of whatever the trial period you're left with it. Make you good use of it. Try to run as much test as possible, as much traffic as possible. And if you need any help, by all means send me a message, and I'll help you out there to see, so you can succeed and achieve whatever income goals and whatever else you want to achieve in your life. So here's to your successful. Hope to see you, and hope to connect with you guys. Thank you, and good luck. Bye.